How would you like a day trading course from a professional day trader for free? What's the catch? I assure you there's no catch. I'm here to empower you with the knowledge and skills necessary to become successful in this industry. It all starts right here, right now. In this video, I'm going to cover who this course is designed for, what you can expect to learn, and the steps you will want to take to get ready for the training. For those of you who have taken other day trading courses before, this is probably going to be a much different experience. Number one, it's free. No need to open your wallet. Number two, it's taught by a real day trader. Hello, my name is Adam. I've actually been in the trenches for 20 years. Not only was I an elite trader at one of the largest firms in the United States, I've also coached at the highest levels. Number three, you're going to learn the logic behind everything that I teach. Understanding the logic is critical to build the necessary mindset to consistently produce profits. Number four, most of the order flow concepts and volume profile techniques that I teach are unique because I created them. You're not going to read about them in a book. Number five, yes, I've coached at elite firms, but more importantly, for over the past 2 years, I've worked with retail traders just like yourself. Learning to coach a new retail trader is a skill that takes time, even for someone like me who has been successful in this industry. Most retail traders I have worked with come to me from a broken system, which typically requires an extra step or two to get them on the right path, versus someone entirely new to day trading. So who is this course for? Everyone. Whether you're brand new to trading or just looking to improve your edge, I'm confident that I can and will deliver for the majority of you. What I teach can be applied to any market by all different styles of traders: stocks, futures, options, forex, crypto, day trading, swing trading, you name it. The course will be broken down into 5 separate modules designed to walk you through step by step everything you need to accomplish 2 things. Number 1, build a repeatable trading strategy specifically for you. Number 2, develop the objective mindset of an elite trader. When you combine these two, you have what I call an objective edge. It's what took me from being a losing trader to one of the top 10 traders at the second largest equity firm in the country. In this first module, we will start by building an order flow foundation and covering some of the basics. Next, I will teach you different techniques and indicators that you will use to build context around your trades. This is a step a lot of retail day traders completely skip. Context is the CEO of your trading business. It looks out above the trees and says, "We're going that way." It can tell you the destination, but it won't show you the route. To determine the route, you will use different patterns, or what I like to call triggers. The course will be loaded with different contexts and triggers. My goal is to provide you with multiple paths to developing an objective edge that works best for you. You will be taught how to build a playbook, learn how to evaluate your reward to risk on every trade through our analysis, multiple trade management techniques, risk management techniques. You will also learn multiple volume profile trading strategies which can be used to day trade or swing trade. Next, I will walk you through how to start backtesting the strategies, which is going to help you further develop your playbook. It's an easy process that, when done, will allow you to begin building more precise definitions and rules in your playbook. Once you have a rough draft of your playbook, you will begin to start sim trading, where you're going to hone in on your execution and continue to develop your playbook, all while journaling your performance. Finally, I will prepare you to go live. I will walk you through the proper steps to go live and provide additional techniques and processes to make sure that you continue to grow as a day trader. As you will learn, successful day trading is not simply a matter of learning some red light, green light trading strategy. I often get asked why I'm willing to share my trading strategies. It's not my trading strategies that separated me from 99% of other day traders. It's my ability to execute a strategy due to the objective mindset that I've developed. Believe me when I say this, day trading can be whatever you want it to be. You are the only one who decides the outcome. If you want to exponentially increase your odds of success with my training, please do the following. Number 1, watch every video in the course in order from start to finish. I've taught all this before. There's a method to my madness. My goal is to keep the main portion of the course to 8 hours or less. I want to get you to start sim trading as fast as possible, where the learning truly begins. Number 2, don't try to replicate me. The people I have trained who have gone on to have the most successful careers all have this in common. They experimented, they were patient, and they found out what worked for them, because I promise you, it's different for everyone. Number 3, never trade money you can't afford to lose. Trading is primarily a mental game. The added stress of risking money that you need will almost certainly lead to you blowing up your account and ending your career before you even had a chance. If you are doing this currently, stop trading. Take my course. Get on a sim account. Number 4, if you want this course to work for you, commit to the processes that I teach and don't look for the easy way out. Listen, you don't need to be a genius to become a successful trader. I'm not. You also don't need to be super creative. There's an old quote that says, "You can always tell who the pioneers are because they have arrows in their back and are lying face down in the dirt." This is true in any industry. Here's the good news. I know the path. I've done it. I've also taught others to do it. Don't end up like the pioneer with arrows in your back. Number 5, sign up to my email list at jumpstarttrading.com. I'm not quite sure at this point what it's all going to entail, but at a bare minimum, I will get you my chart templates and some other tools. If you like, you can also find me on Twitter at JumpstartTrader. Last, I want to set some expectations on what to expect from me moving forward. At the end of 2022, I decided to retire from trading to focus on some personal life goals and to work on what I really want my next 20 years of my life to look like. I will always be connected to the markets in one way or another. It's been my greatest passion for over half of my life, and truthfully, it's not easy to walk away from something that you're so passionate about and that has taught and given me so much. One of my greatest passions throughout my career has been coaching other traders. It's something I still really enjoy doing and see myself doing into the future. I have a lot of knowledge to share, and as of right now, I'm really enjoying what I'm doing and learning about video editing, YouTube, etc. I have a story to tell. I feel this is a great way to share my knowledge with others. Ultimately, it's my goal to provide people with a solid foundation and a realistic approach to becoming a day trader. If you do nothing else, make sure you watch the next lesson on expectations, where I shed some honest light on what you can expect if this is something you're seriously considering. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any valuable lessons. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.